What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can reset the password of your Santander Bank's online banking account. Now follow the step on how you guys can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial for future videos just like this. And let's move on with the video now, shall we? So the first step, you want to go to Santander Bank online banking login and click on versus online banking standard UK. It'll bring you to this page. Over here, click on versus login and it'll bring you to this page. Over here, click on versus forgotten details and then it'll take you to the reset page. And over here, enter your personal ID. After you enter that, choose which country you live in and enter the phone number according to that. And then click on continue, and after this it's gonna ask you some more info. After it verifies that this account belongs to you, then only it will take you to the password reset page where you guys can enter a new password. So that's how this works. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.